Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Quick Study. So in this video we are going to discuss the homework problem and along with some other models of time and work. So let's get started. Coming to the first homework problem, A can do a job in 30 days, B alone can do the same job in 20 days. If A starts the work and joined by B after 10 days, in how many days the job will be done? As we discussed earlier, the first step is to assume the whole work is 1. Now we have to calculate the part of work done by A in 1 day equals to 1 by 30. Since A can do a job in 30 days. In this question, it is mentioned that B was joined with A after 10 days. So, calculate the part of work done by A alone in 10 days, that equals to 10 by 30, which gives 1 by 3. Now, we will calculate the remaining work that should be done by both A and B after 10 days, that equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. From now, A and B are working together. So, calculate part of work done by both A and B in 1 day, that equals to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20, which gives 5 by 60. 1 day work is 5 by 60. The remaining work that has to be done by A and B is 2 by 3. So, for x days, the part of work done is 2 by 3 days. By crisscross method, 5x by 60 equals to 2 by 3, x equals to 40 by 5, that equals to 8 days. Now, to calculate the number of days to complete the job, we do sum of the number of days that A work done and number of days A and B work together to complete the job. That implies 10 plus 8, which gives 18 days. Note, when the persons added in between the work, calculate the time separately for each case and finally add all these cases. Coming to the next homework question, the question is A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B is 50% more efficient than A. In how many days B can do the same job? Firstly, assume the whole work as 1 and next step is to calculate part of work done by A in 1 day, that equals to 1 by 10. Given that B is 50% more efficient than A, hence we write B equals to A plus 0.5 A, which gives 1.5 A. We know that A can do the work in 1 day equals to 1 by 10. Similarly, B can do work in 1 day equals to 1.5 into 1 by 10, which gives 3 by 20. Hence, B can do the same job in 20 by 3 days, that equals to 6.6 days. Hence, option B is correct. Now, we will discuss some other models in time and work. A can do piece of work in 6 days, working 8 hours a day. B can do the same work in 4 days, working 6 hours a day. If they work together 8 hours a day, in how many days they do this work? In this question, the time is given in hours and days. So, we will convert the time into hours. So, number of hours taken to complete the work by A equals to 6 into 8, which gives 48 hours. Similarly, number of hours taken to complete the work by B equals to 4 into 6, which gives 24 hours. Now, we will solve the problem in regular model. Assume the whole work as 1 and calculate the part of work done by A in 1 day equals to 1 by 48. Similarly, part of work done by B in 1 day equals to 1 by 24. In this question, it is given that both A and B had worked together. So, part of work done by A and B in 1 day equals to 1 by 48 plus 1 by 24, which gives 3 by 48, that equals to 1 by 16. Here, the time was converted into hours, but we have to find the time in days. In the question, it is given that A and B had done the work for 8 hours per day. We got the work is done by A and B in 16 hours. Convert the hours into days, that implies 16 by 8 equals to 2 days. Note, when problem is in days and hours, convert into hours and solve it in regular procedure. And finally convert again into days according to the given condition. Coming to the next model, the question is A can finish a work in 6 days and B can finish the work in 8 days. A and B charge 2800 rupees for the work. If with the help of the C, they can complete the work in 3 days, how much they will pay to C? Firstly, the whole work is assumed as 1. The next step is to find the part of work done by A in 1 day, that equals to 1 by 6. Similarly, part of work done by B in 1 day equals to 1 by 8. Here in the question it is mentioned that A and B charge 2800 rupees for the work. So we will calculate the work done by A and B in 1 day. To know the number of days taken for them to complete the job equals to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 equals to 7 by 24. Total number of days equals to 24 by 7. For 24 by 7 days, they charged 2800 rupees. For 1 day, they charged is assumed as x. By crisscross method, x equals to 2800 into 7 by 24, that equals to 4900 by 6. 1 day charges 4900 by 6 rupees. 3 days charges 3 into 4900 by 6, which gives 2450 rupees. Total amount paid for 3 days equals to 2800 rupees. So, we have to calculate amount to be paid by C, that equals to 2800 minus 2450, which gives 350 rupees. That's all for today's video. We will come with more problems in the next video. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.